Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Leon ST finished in Desire Red. This particular model is a 2 litre TDI 150 PS XCELLENCE trim. Features on the car are the LED headlamps and daytime running lamps with front parking sensors and fog lights, 17-inch alloy wheels, LED indicators with chrome trim around the windows, this model has privacy glass and the silver roof rails for carrier bars. The rear of the car there's parking sensors. Being an ST model, cavernous boot space with a power source and access to drop the rear seats. The car has a full black leather interior and seats 5 in total. Heated electric mirrors that fold in. Automatic lights. Leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The car's covered just over 5,600 miles. Benefits from a large screen display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, satellite navigation, hands-free calls and a full link facility for Android and Apple devices. Heated front seats and dual climate control. This model supports wireless charging and has 2 USB ports and auxiliary. There's also a keyless start and entry on the car. Hill hold facility and storage in the centre with an armrest. If you'd like any further details on the car, please contact Patrick here at Crewe Seat. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.